Guys, tell me what was the topic we have discussed yesterday? What was our yesterday's topic? Guys, just remember, like, don't join with the same numbers or with other people or rule numbers, because nothing doing now. Like, we don't get anything. Or we will be hardly having 1.5, not even 1.5, 1 hour class. Without, if we don't have any these kind of disturbances, we'll be having hardly 1 hour. For coding, uh, for coding classes, 1 hour is not at all a good time to teach. You have to cover theory whereas programming, right? Even for me, it feels really bad if I scold you or if I say something to you. You should understand. I'm telling you. Because we have lots of work to do. We are here to teach you just because due to some internship classes we are here to teach you, or else we'll be doing our work, we'll be going out, we'll be going to our places. No need to stay here, right? So I hope you'll understand. Let's get into the today's topic. Every day I was turning your mics on just because you'll be having any doubts, so that you can ask me. In that way, like we'll be utilizing this mics, your mics, in that way. I was thinking every day, but you are using it for some other activities. Please don't do it now. I was requesting you. All right. Guys, is the screen visible or can I increase the size? Is it visible now?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me.
Ma'am, someone is joining with my roll number daily, 4R3.
4R3.
Yes, ma'am. I don't
You,
know who's that.
you are not joining every day?
I'm joining, ma'am. Yesterday I did not join.
Okay. Even I have seen many times I used to say 4R3 was making some annoying things in the
Yeah, I
class.
gave complaint to HOD sir also.
Okay.
Once can you check now?
Okay. Fine.
Actually, I kept my roll section in brackets.
Yeah, all right. I'll be checking.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, he left, ma'am.
Who?
That some other guy.
He left?
Yeah, just now I checked.
Okay. If any kind of any people or any student have joined with your rule number, just tell me. I'll block them. Or else I'll never give access to them. I'll be taking. Uh, I'll be adding your one of your college principal or college sir or madam to check with them. I'll ask them to join. If anything will happen, anything like these kind of things happen, just tell me. Because every day I used to say that number and one more 26, 426 I think, and that person. Those are very annoying. Even if you don't join the class, they have joined and making you bad in like getting you scoldings for doing such kind of things. If you don't tell me today, I was thinking that 4R3 is always, or he always be like that. I thought it was a guy. Before also, with that number, I have two people have joined one day. I hope so. So I haven't made them get into the class after 8 o'clock or 7:30. I hope so. I just let them into the class. Like if I don't allow any like two of the people, the one who want to join the class and the other one who wants to make noise will both get like one of them get lost, right? So tell me if any case if in any case these kind of things happen. All right, I'm starting the class. Let's get in the class. Is it visible, right? 428. I think I have got a message. 426. I told you, right? Even with that number, someone has joined in class. He or she, I don't know. I'll check it. Even now, they have joined. Just respond me. 426. Are the person? Are the other person is in the class? 426. Please respond. Is that person is in the class? Yeah, okay. He left. I don't know what you people are doing there. Every day telling you like this doesn't make any sense. All right. Thanks. He left. He left the box. When I thought of making him a presenter, like I want to know what they want to say. Even yesterday they have login in the same way. And this 426 number has annoyed me a lot. The person who joined with that. I think the same person, like 4R3 told me, right? I think that one person who was joining like this with say some other number like 426. From tomorrow onwards, like you should on your videos so that I'll teach you. It's better, right? Owning videos and taking classes is little like awkward. You're not school children to make you like always seeing you, always like commanding you. You're not school children, school students. You'll be in your comfort zone if you don't turn on your videos, you'll be in your comfort zone. If I asked you to turn your videos on, you'll be not that comfortable, right? That's why we are not asking you to join with cameras. We don't want to take your comfort zone. Guys, if any kind of these kind of activities happen, just ping me in group. If anyone is joining Vidya number, you just ping me in the WhatsApp group. Or else you ping me here. It's better to ping me here because I'll be available here, right? Until the meeting. Or else ping in group. It's better. I'll be getting to know. Every day that like time is wasting, right? It's 7 already. Okay. This is all we have seen, right? First thing, why we use NumPy, what is NumPy? We have all seen all this, right? Why NumPy faster than list? I mean, why num arrays faster than list? It is an array concept, right? That's why they have mentioned NumPy completely. NumPy is nothing but numerical Python, as you guys all know, where NumPy arrays are stored at one continuous place. Like I told you, it will not in arrays. It will be stored in one continuous place. In list, it will be the list in list. What they do is the elements will not be stored at one place. It will be stored in some other region randomly, right? You can see the behavior is called locality of preference in computer science. This is the main reason why NumPy is faster than list. Also, it is optimized to work with latest CPU architectures. By using NumPy, we can work with latest CPU architectures. We can't work. Uh, we can't work with list in that case. Hello. Huh? Yeah, guys. Just wait for your while. Guys, be on hold. Admit on. Guys, immediately tell me if anyone have joined with their rule numbers. Because I can't always check it on, right? If it is not you, just raise your just on your mics and tell me like it's not me. Someone is just making some noise with my name or my roll number like that. Don't keep it yourself. Don't hide. Because we can't mute those participants. Like I can remove those participants. I can make them not to join again with the same number. But I can't make them. I can't make your numbers into limit, right? I can't limit those numbers to enter because we don't know the original person as well as the some other person who is joining from their roll number, right? Okay, get into class. Why we use NumPy? You know this. Why NumPy is faster than this? Just now I have told you. These all things you have seen, right? Importing NumPy is nothing but import NumPy. This is what we write for importing NumPy. Right. Next, array equals to NumPy dot array. This is how we define array by using ARR. Where we are in indexing concept, right? Dimensions of array, how we take dimensions of array. How many types of dimensions are there? We have 0 dimension, 1 dimension, 2 dimension, and like multiple dimensions, right? 1D, we have seen how 1D works. Like we'll be writing the values in single braces. Where 2D, an array that has 1D array as its elements is called 2D array. These are often used in representation of matrix. Right. I think it is visible now. I will be making it. Uh, you can see how we created a 2D array. 2D array containing two arrays with the values of 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. Import numpy as np, where we will be writing those numbers in double square braces. So we have written print array. This is how we write. If we write this, we will be getting the array format as 1, 2, 3 followed by 4, 5, 6 in a column form. You can see it is like representation of matrices form. Got it? That's why we'll be doing a matrix operation here. So we call it as mat operation. NumPy has whole submodule dedicated towards matrix operation called as numpy.mat. It will gives you the result with matrix. Let's see. Let's open ideally. Array equals to nb dot array. That is 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. This is what I have taken. So I want to print this array. What I do, I'll be running this module. Before running, we have to save, right? I'll be saving it to practice program. You can see this is how it will be printed in matrix format. I told you, right, in 2D arrays it will be printed in matrix format. Got it? 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. We can access these elements like 0 dimension, first dimension in slicing and indexing. We will be seeing it in dimensions concept or in indexing and slicing concept. Okay, this is clear, right? 3D arrays. And 3D array that has 2D array matrices as its elements is called 3D array. These are often used to represent third order tensor. What we do is like we will be getting if we have 2D matrices, we have two 2D matrices in 3D matrix is said to be 3D array. Like in 2D matrices we have two dimensional, like two set of lists, right? Two set of arrays. So in the same way we'll be having four set of arrays in 3D with three cells. It's 3D, right? That's why we'll be taking in three square braces. Got it? Next, we have a code here. Let me show you how it works. array. You can see here how it is printed. Are you getting me? We have asked to print 3D array, right? It has printed 3D array. Already we have written this, right? That's why it is showing 6. If I remove this, again let's run this. See this. How many we got? 2, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We will be getting 2D arrays. Is said to be 3D array. Like um, when we get 2D arrays, when we get printed with 2D arrays, then it is said to be a 3D array. Got it? For checking dimensions, I said you already have told you that is n dimension. We'll be using n dimensional to, you can see here. NumPy provides the n dimensional attribute that returns an integer that tells us how many dimensions the array have. It will tell you how many dimensions an array have. NDIM is a attribute which gives us integer that tells us how many dimensions that array have. For checking how many dimensions we have, we will be like okay, let me show you an example for this n-dimensional array. You have this code, right? We'll be printing here. Let's run the code. Why it is showing error? Let's run this again. And is not defined. have to import. Where is it? Import line. Let's try to run this. Now we can write as print Now let's run the code. Whole dimensional part. A. You can see here. We got the dimension of A as 0. If I want alright, let's print one more dimension, that is B dot and then let's run it. You can see it is one dimensional. Why? Because it has only one brace. Braces are the only thing you have to remember for this 2D or 2D array, 1D array, 3D array. All right. Now, if I want to print C dot ND and M, let's run this. You can see one dimensional and two dimensional. This is how we print the dimension, guys. We'll be using NDIM to print the dimension with particular. We're using with particular array, right? Next. Okay. Now we came to indexing of elements, access array elements. Array indexing is the same as accessing an array element. You can access an array element by referring to the index number. We already have discussed about this array indexing, right? The indexes in NumPy array starts with 0 and meaning that the first element has the index value is 0. Even if it is 1000 also, 1000 element is there in the array, will be considering as 0. Its index position as 0. If it is in the starting position, we will be considering as 0 index position. Next. Is it visible, right? Next, to get the first element from the following array. If I want to get one from 1, 2, 3, 4 are there, right? If I want to get one as the one's index position, like if I give the index position, it is printed as 1. This is how we write the code. Next, you can see here, let's do this code. It is a second. Wait. Let's open this. Let's execute this code here. What we do is we'll be importing numpy, we'll be taking array. Let's see. We have imported numpy, we have imported. By using array, we got printed array one value. Let's see how we get. You can see here down. You will be finding You can see here. Where it is. I'll be closing this. You can see 2 here, right? Why we got 2? Why we got 2? Array element. First, I want first position of array element. That is 1 is 0, 2 is 2, second position is 1, right? That's why we will be getting 2. Alright? I hope it's clear, right? Let me check. Close it. That's how we'll be accessing, like we'll be indexing the element in 2D. In 1D, sorry, in 1D we'll be accessing an element in the 1D. Where in 2D we'll be accessing the element you can see to access element from 2D we can use comma separated integers representing the dimensions and index of the element. Think of 2D as like a table and row. As I have told you yesterday, it should be treated as table and rows and columns, where the row represents the dimension of index represents the column. Row is represented as dimension, where index is represented as column. I hope it's clear, right? Okay. I don't know why this guy was joining again and again and again. Already a girl registered with this number of 21 R01804R3. I don't know who was the guy. I want to know who was the guy. Guys, anyone of you know who was the guy who is joining with the numbers of your friends? Like anyone know it? Because even yesterday, one of the girl or guy may just send me a text in this group that his number is 426. He has suffered with that problem. See, he went out of the lobby again. Like someone of you is informing him regarding this. Like don't join. Some ma'am is calling like that. You guys really know him very well. I hope so. So better mind your business. Don't encourage such kind of activities. Because it's really annoying. Like every day I told you, right? It was really annoying. Okay, let's get into our subject because talking about those people will always make me annoying. Hmm. Let's see who was the person. I think he was joining with another number. I don't know. I can't always watch you guys. You have that call. You should have that coordination not to join like this. Accessing 3D array. In indexing, will be like accessing the 3D array. Right. We'll be importing the array. See where have done with this, right? Four H9. What's your problem, man? I don't want any kind of disturbance, I told you. Because every day, like taking a flight doesn't make sense, right? He himself gone out of the class. Okay. Let's run this so that zero, start, stop. Yesterday we have discussed and step, right? Let's run this. This is the guy who came, right? I don't want him to let in. Okay. What we get? We got 6 here. Why we got 6? Let's see. What I said, this is 3D. Array with 0, like 0 at dimension, first row, second column. If we take it like, let me print of an array. Let's run this. Oh, rule number 4H9. Open your mic, please. Or else I gonna let you out. I know how to let you out. tell you this. Just a minute. Now let's see if we run how it works. It is showing 3 and 6. Because you can see here it is a 3-dimensional and it is showing 6. Alright, I hope you got the difference. 3 and 6 is nothing but 3-dimensional and 6. We are taking 0th dimension, that is from particular this list. I was starting from 0th element, I was ended with one with distance of 2 steps. One and two, that is one and row and column, right? If we take a matrix, we'll be having 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. That is considered as one is row and second one is column. First row, second column. What it would be? It's nothing but 6. So that we'll be getting 6. If I enter and if I enter 1, see what happens. Let me see, I've done something. First axis, right? Let me give it 1 dimension and 3. It is out of bounds, it is showing. Why? I want to access. Okay, let's see what it shows. It is giving 3 dimension with I don't know, guys, what's happening with your class. You just sort it out by your issue, because again he's coming and he's going like R4, R3. I don't know who is that person. Like one of the girl is here. Again with the same number I got a request again. You can see it on the screen. We don't know who your people are joining, right? Guys, just wait. I'm stopping it. Guys, I'll be sharing my screen. Just be online. Don't leave the meeting. I don't know who was you guys who joined from 4R3 number. I'm talking to you. I was seeing you since starting of the class. Not now. I was seeing you since the starting date. I just let you in because I want to know what's your problem. Just tell me what's your problem. Why you are joining with other people's, other students' numbers? Tell me, because you have that, you are always joining with other people numbers. You what you will get, what you will gain. I don't understand what you are aiming for. Is this the only thing I have to do with? I have to go with. Every day, one of you guys are annoying me. I was when I was telling something to you, I was being disturbing because of one or two guys who were doing like this. Yeah, what's your problem? Tell me. You have on your mic also. Tell me now, what's your problem? I'll be making you the presenter. You will be teaching the class today. It's better, right? Yeah, tell me, what's your problem? Like everyone wants to hear you. They don't have guts to speak. This is what they do. Few of you are here, right? Few of your friends, like the person who has joined now, I think few of his friends are here. Yeah, he came back again. He wants to be a presenter. Yeah, guy, be the presenter because you give lots of good presentations, right? Do you think every day it is like it's a new thing for me? Sorry, I have presented you. Sorry. He was the one VIP guest in our whole class. Yeah, speak it out because everyone wants to know who you are. I told you many times if you are not interested, you can leave the class. No need of coming. Even if you join with other rule numbers, you will not get any attendance, right? Do you feel it like a fun? If you are not ready to speak, how could you able to join the class? How dare you? I don't understand what you want to do. Every day these kind of things are always like, see, I got one more request. I don't know why she left. What's your problem? Just speak it out, right? You're a very special one in the whole class. VIP. I don't know, guys. You who has like grudge on that girl of 4R3? You are continuously one more number you can see on the screen. I got one more number for joining request in lobby. Four R3 for all rule numbers which are is their rule numbers consist of 22 R05A0426. I've seen this number somewhere. Yeah. Any guy with 426 number can or is in the room, like he's in Teams app now within the meeting. Just raise your hand, please. 4R3. Yeah, you are there. 26. I asked. 426. 4R4. I don't know what's the problem. It's waste of time. 4R4. Okay. Just now I have seen it, right? Four R4 and is 4R3 exist here? Raise your hand, ma. 4R3. Every day you are eating my time, right? I don't know why. Because we are not even getting into any other concepts every day due to these kind of issues. If I give mic access, you keep on talking. I don't want anyone to disturb my class. I'll be taking class up to 9 today. It's better, right? Because you are wasting my time, so I can waste your time. You'll feel like taking classes is time wasting. See again. He was an idiot. One or two times it looks like we can bear it. Doing every time in the same way was not at all acceptable. This is not the like what kind. These are not qualities of a good or professional student. You are studying in a professional college. These are not the qualities of the student. Stupid. You can see we got 3 and 11. Why? Why we got 3 and 11? I want someone to answer this. It's a 3D. And why we got 11? I asked it like first row, first column. I want to get printed. Right. That's why we got printed with 11. First row, first column. I hope it's clear. Right. When it is clear or not, you doesn't care it. Alright. I'll be telling myself and I'll be going. Whether if you understand or not, I don't require. I don't need it. All the time I was asking you, I don't get any response. Alright. It's up to you. How? Why should I tell you deep, ma? I can tell you up like just normally. We have numpy. We have some. We'll use it for some purpose. We'll do it some calculations like that. I can tell and I can leave. I don't have. I don't. No one will be telling anything to me. Because all the time I was like, why should I be bad to you? Like, see here. For 3D array we have done, right? have done some indexing, right? For that, there is an explanation here why we get 6 as value. You can see here, the first number represents the first dimension which contains two arrays. Like 1, 2, 3 is one, and 4, 5, 6 is one array, and 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 is one array. Since we select, I'm so sorry, since we select 0, we are left with the first array. We have selected 0. Like here we have selected 0, right? That is dimension. So we have left with the first array. Like we'll be treating, if we have two arrays in this, right? Where is this? Let's show you. We have two arrays. This is one 2D array. This is another 2D array. It is treated as first array is treated as 0, and second array is treated as 1. The second number represents the second dimension. It is clear, right? Second number represents the second dimension, like 1 or 2. So which also contain two arrays. That is, you can see here the second number, that is 1. It has selected 1. So we are going with 4, 5, 6. 2, 1, 2, 3 is 0 at 0 dimension, and 4, 5, 6 is the first dimension. The third number represents the third dimension which contains three values, 4, 5, 6. You can see here the third dimension which contains three values, that is 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. Since we selected 2, so we will be ending up with third value, that is 6. I hope it's clear, right? It's clear? Any doubts? We haven't completed even negative indexing today. Guys, any doubts? You haven't listened to class today. Okay, I'll be entering her. Four R3, where is that? 4R3, please respond.
Ma'am, someone joined again.
Yeah, I have seen. They are joining with two more like links with
Yes,
the same
ma'am.
number. With your number, they are joining with two more links. I have
Yes,
seen that.
ma'am.
Even I have raised the complaints to the authorities. They will be checking.
Okay,
They
ma'am.
will. Why did you left the class?
Someone got removed, ma'am. I
No,
did not
no
left.
one will be removing you because I have the access. Not no one will be having the access.
No. I got someone removed from meeting.
Okay, all right. Maybe I have done that, and maybe I'm sorry for that because
It's okay.
I have seen like you have entered your name with some other number, right? ECE like small digits, right?
Yes, ma'am. That's me.
Yeah. You can join with that ID, right? That's why I'm not allowing you to the class.
That guy also joined with
Yeah,
same
he
pattern.
has joined
That's
with
why I
capital
changed
letters
it.
of ECE. I have seen.
Yeah. Ah.
I just figure out the difference in that way because Three of the guys have joined, like not be, just leaving you behind. Two more guys have joined with the same number. They
Yes.
sent a lobby request. I have seen. I have shown to everyone here. Yeah, all right. It's okay. I don't know who was the guys. They're joining. Just ask them. Yeah, just be strict in the class. So ask them who are joining that. Maybe many of your friends used to know that. They're not at all opening their mouth. All right. If someone again join me, like we'll be stopping the classes. It's all about you because your internship marks are depends on this. Yeah, everyone knows that. If internship has gone, will not going good, then you'll be awarding with less marks. You should remember this. Guys, anyway, you can leave the class because we haven't uh, learned anything in this class. I know due to some these disturbances, we haven't learned anything. But I surely tell you from tomorrow onwards, we will not be getting any disturbance. Even if we get in disturbance, we will continue our class because we don't need to stop for some other people, right? Anyone like who want the class, just raise the hand. If you don't want the class, I'll be leaving the class. I don't like if you don't need it, I can't do anything, right? I can't forcefully make you to sit here. Depending upon the count, if I will decide like whether to take the classes or not. Because without your cooperation, I can't do anything. That's why. All right. Only 14 people. There's their hand. Don't raise your hands for my sake because if you want to learn something, I'll be teaching you. If you don't want to learn, simply you can skip the class. You all know that your performance, it depends on your performance, like internship marks. Not only internship marks, it will be useful for your career because after coming out of the college, no one will be there to teach. All right, guys, thank you. You can down your hands, please. Guys, you can leave. Thank you. I'm sorry for the disturbances which were happened today. In from these 2 days, there's lots of disturbances. I'll be making it clear. I don't want to give the access of mic, but some people like will be getting some doubts. You will be able to say if I give the access. If I don't give the access, it will not be like always looking into that question and answer box is also uh, it's little disturbing, right? I'll be getting to know like for whom I want to like for whom it is understanding or for whom it is not clear. I'll be getting an idea. I hope up to 3D indexing, it's clear, right? In NumPy topics up to 3D indexing, it's clear, I hope. Any doubts? If you have any doubts, you can ask me now, or else you can leave. You can leave, guys, no issue.